Alma of the Airwaves. Lucky hiding from the higher test alarm. Lucky, come here. He belongs on the orange couch. It is January 22nd. It's a Friday. The weekend is here. Today, I will show you my painting. Again, love who you are. I sometimes just get up in the morning and I have this clear vision what I want to draw. So that's her. She'll have definitely white hair, and it's not finished, but it's a beginning. Okay, that's my painting of the day. Check. Today I'm gonna read you a story which is called Acres of Diamonds. Regarding the color of my wigs, okay? Since we're approaching season 2, there is no rule. Housekeeping details, there is no rule. Valentine's Day is coming, St. Patrick's Day, okay? I'm not saying it's gonna be total chaos, but there is no rule about the colors. So, Acres of Diamonds. Your diamonds are not in far distant mountains or in some yonder seas. They are in your own backyard, if you're but to dig for them. Russell Conwell. Okay, it is the story of a Persian farmer named Ali Hafet, who sold his farm and left his family to travel the world in search of wealth. He looked everywhere, but he could not find the diamonds he lusted after. Finally, alone and in despair as a homeless pauper, he ended his own life. His search for riches has consumed him. In the meantime, the man who bought the land from Hafet was grateful for every blade of grass that was now his, and lavished love and hard work on his farm. At night, surrounded by his family and eating the fruits of his labor, he was one contented man. Finally, one day, he made a remarkable discovery. In the backyard that Ali Hafed had abandoned was a diamond mine, literally an acre of diamonds. The simple farmer became wealthy beyond his wildest dreams. We all have an acre of diamonds waiting to be discovered, cherished, and mined. We all have a place from where to begin. Let your imagination soar. On the simple abundance path, you'll discover that your own opportunity for personal success, authentic happiness, and financial serenity is as close to you as is your own backyard. Where is your acre of diamonds? Where is it? The alchemist. The boy left home, made a hole, he made a trip around the planet, talked to everybody, came back and found his happiness in his own front yard, in this case. I wish you to find your diamonds today, 22nd of January. Why not? The proverb, my favorite Japanese proverb is that the best time to plant the tree was 20 years ago. Okay, the second best time is today. Let's not cry over spilled milk. Let's just take things as they are. Today sounds like a very, very good idea and a very good time. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. Enjoy your day. And I'm sure Lucky says hello, hiding. He hates the fire test alarm, the fire testing in our building. The video is beautiful. Short again, because it's freezing. I don't know what to do about my battery. When it dies, it dies. There were some people, some men digging, doing something on the beach early. Most were smoking and texting. See you tomorrow. What's going on? What's going on? I know. Fire test. Here's my project. Developing. It's okay.